Hello everyone, myself Neha Singh. I am counselor of Gyan Niketan Girls School. Today our topic is going to be a very interesting known as goal setting. What is goal? Goal is a desired result that a person plan and commit to achieve. Goal setting is defined as process of deciding what you want to do in life and also devising plan to achieve what you want to achieve. Goal setting is very powerful tools. It will be help you give a direction to your life. And once you have direction in your life become even very enjoyable to live. In next slide, we will see why most people does not set goal. Let's understand the reason why a lot of people doesn't set goals. Well, there are lot of reason on this particular reason, and some of this reason are: first one is pessimistic attitude. Well, a lot of people think very negatively about goals, and they feel that why do we really have to set goals, so they feel it's little negative to set goal for themselves. Second, fear of failure. This is the reason why a lot of people fear that they will be have a failure if they don't set goals, and that's this reason they don't really go on the path of goal setting because they fear failure. Third one is ignorance. Ignorance about the importance of goals. They don't really know what is importance of goal setting, and hence they do not really set goals. Lack of knowledge. Lack of knowledge about setting goals. They does not really know where to start, how to about this entire process of goal setting, and they feels a rocket science to really set goals, and hence because of which they forget or rather fail to set goals. A lot of people lacked ambitions. Now, while lacking of ambitions, I am really try to say people are very comfort in their comfort zone, and they don't want to challenge themselves. They don't have any great ambitions to achieve in life. So lack of ambitions is also reason why people doesn't set goals. Low self esteem. They don't think really high about themselves, and that's why they doesn't set goal. And last but not least, if we have a rejections, and rejections, my dear students, can be very powerful way of not setting goals. So students, they are all these reasons why people doesn't set goals, and let's understand these are there in our mind. We need to overcome our emotions, we need to overcome all these fears to really try and achieve goals for ourselves. Next slide, we will come know why goals fails. Well, if you might have even set goals, goals tends to fail. The reason why goals fail is probably you have not written down the goals. Goals, if they are not written, they are mere words. Hence, goals need to be written down, and they needs to written down in present tense. Not having any rewards for yourself also may be reason why goal fails. Not realistic. You may set very unachievable or unrealistic goal for yourself. Well, that can also leads to failure for setting these goals. Your goals may keep challenging. You might have one goal one day, and after 10 days you might change the goals to another things. Well, the mind, the brain gets confused in this regards, and hence it can be failure of setting goals. No accountability or ownership. If doesn't set goals and take accountability and ownership for them, it leads to failure of goals. Well, what I am trying to really say that set goals for yourself, not your friends or siblings. Set goals for yourself because only then you will be have accountability and ownership for the same. No timeline. This can also one of major reason why goals fail if you do not have a time guideline or time deadline to achieve their goals. You really not know when you will be achieve it. Next we will be know to benefit of set goals. Why set goals? Why do we really need set goals and what are the benefits setting goals? Let's take a look at this. First one is you take control your life. Second, you focus on your important things. Third one is you will make good decisions. You can finish your task effectively. You will be self confident. You are close to progress and success, and your life is disciplined. Now, type of goals. First one is short term goal. Short term goal is something you want to do the near future. The near future can mean today, this week, this month, or even this year. A short term goal is something you want to accomplish soon. Second one is long term goal. A long term goal is that goal which takes long time to achieve. I would like to conclude this topic of goal setting, but urging you identify your goals, make your action plan, and achieve your goals. Have a vision in your life, have a mission in your life. Keep it is always in front of you, which will really make you achieve your goals with lots of energy and enthusiasms. Never lose that. Thank you.